If you forgot the screen lock password to your POCO M8 and now you cannot access your phone, there is one thing that you can do to get the access back, and that is by performing the hard reset of your phone. Of course, you will have to go to the recovery mode in order to be able to do so, but of course this also means that you will lose everything that you have on your phone unless you have a backup. So everything that you have on the internal storage of the phone, after factory resetting, it will be erased. So this is of course clearly a downside, but this is what we have to do if you forgot the password. If you decide to do that, then first of all we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time. We need to press them in order to open the power menu, and then we're gonna slide up in here to power off the phone. Wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down, and then you want to once again use power and volume up, but you want to hold them until you see the POCO logo. Once you see the POCO logo on the screen, you want to let go the power button and hold volume up only. So let's give it a try. We're gonna press and hold power and volume up. And now we have POCO logo, so we can release the power button and hold volume up only. And after a couple of seconds you will open the recovery mode. In this menu we navigate by using volume buttons, so you want to make sure that wipe data is selected and then confirm by pressing the power button. In here confirm your choice by going for the wipe all data option, and then you should be able to erase everything from your phone. If for some reason you go back to the main menu of the recovery mode, and if you did the hard reset of the phone, of course now we need to exit the recovery mode. So to do so, make sure that reboot is selected and just press power button, and then once again to confirm your choice. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.